So we are looking here at all the almost 3,000 documents, and the default view that we get is on the grid, what we've been using so far. You can also look at it clicking in here on VGrid, which shows the usage of the frequency of usage over time, and you can actually hover over these particular graphics, and we see, you know, the application protocols, web hosts, web category, and there's no suspect content in this particular case. Here we will do things like detecting a protocol being used on the wrong port. The next bar shows similar data at another particular period of time. So back to the grid, and we can actually hide the quick start, and we can do things like you know, I'm going to select, as I have here the asterisk, I'm going to select all the documents, and I'm going to do some visualization. I want to see the relationship between all these documents. So it's here computing all those relationships, and here they are, you know, and these are the relationship, which IP has been communicated with which IP, and you see the direction of the arrow, which specify who initiates the contact, and the bigger arrow, you know, get the most interaction. And you can actually switch this into, you know, this IP address to IP address, but you can do chat ID, you can do email, whatever is relevant in here. All the documents selected, I can also click here on the Surveyor, and the Surveyor is going to show me all the documents by relevancy. So I can, you know, the most relevant documents are the one that it finds more specific data, and you can click on every one of those individual the documents. Here are some images. This one actually that I call my attention, voice IP. If you have the legal right to actually look at the voice over IP, you can even play back. In a similar way, we can do also link analysis. So I'm selecting all the documents, and let's see if something shows up here on the link analysis. So it's analyzing all those, so actually the first 1,000 documents. And here we see the actual result of that link analysis. And this is can be kind of useful to see when you get an infection. You can actually, if you locate the using forensic, we watch the element, let's say the macro, a file with a malicious macro. I mean, you can see like kind of the daisy chain on how the actual infection was actually propagating. So a quick review by looking at the query builder here. This allows us, instead of doing, you know, the query here, as we've been doing with putting some and or those conditions, we can actually do it from here in an easier way. We can say, for example, on the category, let's select web, and here on the actual field, let's select, for example, websites, and we can actually test the query. Well, actually, I need to put which website I'm looking for, so I put an asterisk here and do the test query, and it says, well, it's going to find 941 documents. So if that's what I like, I can actually go ahead and insert the actual query, and actually I need to select the operator. So let's select new and do insert query, and we will see the results of all those websites. And as I did before, I can actually from this view select all these websites and perform, you know, visualize, do any other things before. Let's do another link analysis. these two links in here. One more thing that is interesting to see on the query builder. I mean, whenever you do a search that you like, you can click on this icon and you have the actual search saved. Another thing that I want to show here is on the query. These are all the searches that I had been doing, so you can actually select one of them and run it right from here. On the query tab, we see those searches that I saved at the beginning of the first of these videos.